Hey everybody, I'm Dominic Bisogno. I'm the food coordinator for AICHO at the Neiman Market. We're giving out food today from 2 to 5, so let's go inside and see what we're doing. So we have just under 200 food bags for people today. We start at 2 and it's first come first serve, so we go till 5, but we suggest coming closer to 4. We have canned goods, we have bread, we have frozen meat, we have produce, so we have pretty much everything that you'll want. And we do this every 2 weeks, so after today the next time will be 2 weeks from now, which I believe will be the second week of June.
And we want to thank our wonderful funders and community support for their support and for this amazing community endeavor. So there's Landon and Alina, part of the AICHO team. So signing off.
Yeah, thanks for watching.